Hi everyone, Arnold here, santamuertemagick.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. The topic of today's video is how to make Santa Muerte magic water. I think the best way to describe Santa Muerte magic water or death water is that it is very similar to something like moon water, which is a popular tool in many branches of paganism. Where moon water is water charged by the energy of the moon, Santa Muerte magic water is water charged by the energy of death. And since devotees of Santa Muerte typically recognize the various aspects of Santa Muerte, identified by the different cloaks that she wears, the cloaks of different colors, Santa Muerte magic water can actually be charged with specific intentions, such as for health, psychic abilities, wisdom, etc. There are several things you can do with Santa Muerte magic water. You can use it as an elixir and drink a glass of the water to promote a specific kind of energy in your life. For example, you could charge a bottle of magic water with healing energy, blessed by the Santa Muerte in a cloak of yellow, because yellow is commonly associated with health and healing and wellness, and then drink a glass of that water in the morning, maybe with a prayer of thanks to Santa Muerte for the health that you have and for continued health into the future. You could charge a bottle of magic water with psychic energy, blessed by the Santa Muerte in a cloak of purple, because purple is commonly associated with psychic abilities and intuition. And then drink a glass of that water before you perform a divination reading with your tarot cards or your pendulum or your coins of holy death. You can use magic water as a potion to influence another person's thoughts and actions. For example, you could charge a bottle of magic water with love energy, blessed by the Santa Muerte in a cloak of red, because red is commonly associated with love and sex and passion, etc. And then give a glass of that water to your crush to encourage mutual romantic feelings. Or you could give a glass of that water to a long-term partner to make them think of you and encourage loyalty to you throughout the day. You can use Santa Muerte magic water as a magic cleaner. So for example, you could charge a bottle of magic water with money and success energy, blessed by the Santa Muerte in a cloak of gold, because gold is commonly associated with wealth and earthly success, and then use that water to mop the floor of your business or to wash something that you are trying to sell. Another option is to use the water as a kind of holy water. You can charge a bottle of magic water with the energy of harmony and protection, blessed by the Santa Muerte in a cloak of white, because white is commonly associated with harmony and protection, and then sprinkle that water around the rooms of your home to encourage a calm and peaceful home environment. Or sprinkle the water around the perimeter of your home or across the threshold of your home to keep negative influences away. So those are just some examples of what you can do with a batch of Santa Muerte magic water. I'd love to know if you have any ideas of your own that I maybe didn't mention. But as far as making a batch of magic water for yourself, you have a couple of options. It's very, very simple. Perhaps the most straightforward option is to place a bottle of water, drinking water if it will be consumed, at your Santa Muerte altar, and then just allow it to rest in the light of a colored candle until the candle burns to completion. The color of the candle should match the color associated with the intent you want to convey, so yellow for health, red for love, etc. I personally like to use glass bottles for storing my magic water because they just feel more substantial and more intentional, more magical than regular plastic bottles, but please use whatever you have available. If I have access to a glass bottle that also matches the color of my intent, all the better. I will opt for the colored glass bottle all the time. This process will not be quick, especially if you're using a 7-day church candle. especially if you're burning it safely and extinguishing the candle whenever you cannot be around to monitor it, but that's okay. The more time it takes to create a batch of magic water, the more potent and charged it will be. Another option for creating magic water is to bury your bottle of water. So tightly secure a bottle of water so it does not leak when you place it on its side, and then wrap the bottle in a cloth whose color also matches the intention you want to convey, and then place the wrapped bottle in a protective container, something like a shoebox or a toolbox, and then bury that box in the ground for 7 days. On the 7th day, you just dig up the box and you can use your magic water. With that, I think I'll start wrapping up the video. Santa Muerte magic water, or death water, is plain water that has been charged with your intent and the power of Santa Muerte. You can charge the water at your Santa Muerte altar in the light of a burning candle, or by burying the bottle in the ground for 7 days. Hopefully I've explained everything clearly, but if not, as always, you can get in touch through the contact form on the website. There's also the Patreon messenger system and the Discord chat server. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. Until next time. Bye.